Welcome to a short tutorial on how to paraphrase and write research papers based on information that's found on the internet. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial about how to write just the introductory paragraph of a research paper. We're going to be looking at the life of Marie Curie, also known as Madame Curie. Let's start by looking at the resources I found to use for our research paper. So the first one is from nobelprize.org, which we know is the organization that deals with Nobel Prize winners, as Marie Curie was a Nobel Prize winner. And because I'm going to be using information from this page, I'm going to copy that web address right onto my paper so I don't forget. The second one is the BBC, another credible source, the British Broadcasting Centre. And again, we have a short biography of Marie Curie, so I'm going to also take that web address and copy that. And this is really important as soon as you find information to be copying these web addresses, because it's always very important to cite your sources. And the last one is from the Hypotema Institute, and this is an introduction from Marie Curie from a child's point of view, maybe if you're a bit younger. Now if you click home, you can see this is from the Hypotema Institute, which is a credible source as well. So this is where I've gotten this information from. And I'm going to put this last one in here. Okay. So let's first talk about what not to do when you're writing a paper, especially a research paper. You can read this, so you read through this information. It all seems like really good information, and you think, oh, there's no way I could write that better. So you copy this information, you go to your own paper, you paste the information, and you think, I'm just going to rewrite some of this in my own words. So you start at the beginning, and you read through, and you say, oh, what could I change? You know, Marie Curie was born in Warsaw on November 7th, 1867, the daughter of a secondary school teacher. Maybe I'll change received, got a general education in the nearby schools and some scientific training from her father. Now, is that really my own words? Have I really learned anything? In this case, I think not. And in most cases, not. Copying and pasting is never a good choice when you're trying to write a research paper. So let's start by just deleting that and starting with a clean slate. We've got all of our sources up here. And let's start by making notes. I make notes using bullet points. You can put it in outline form if you like. But let's start reading this first paragraph here. Marie Curie was born in Warsaw on November 7th, 1867. So I'm going to write born in Warsaw, November 7th, 1867, because those are dates that are important to know. We also read that she received an education at the local schools, and her father gave her scientific training. Okay. She became involved in the Students' Revolutionary Organization and found it prudent to leave Warsaw, then in the part of Poland dominated by Russia, for Krakow, which at the time was under Austrian rule. So she left Warsaw and moved to Krakow. Okay? See, I'm just taking these and writing notes over here. So I'm just kind of taking the information, putting it in my own words. In 1891, she went to Paris to continue her studies at the Sorbonne, where she obtained a licentiateship in physics and mathematical sciences. So move this over a little bit just so I can see. In 1891, she moved to Paris and received a degree in physics and mathematical sciences. Okay, now I've taken a lot from this first one, and there's a lot more as well, but I'm going to just click over to my next source and see. So it says Marie Curie was a Polish-born physicist and chemist and one of the most famous scientists of her time. Together with her husband, she was awarded the Nobel Prize. Let's see, she was the daughter of a teacher, which we learned from the first one. So maybe we'll just add that in. Daughter of a teacher. And I'm just kind of reading through this, trying to see. It says that she met her husband, Pierre Curie, at the School of Physics. So I'm going to add that in. Finally, I'm going to look at this last page. There's one other thing I want to see over here. This just says that she's one of 5 children. So I'm going to just add that in right here. All right, now I've got a nice little outline, and in the next little talk, we'll see how to turn that into a paragraph.